In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Games profile not creating problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google Play Games, tap on Google Play Games, update Google Play Games if available any update version. Now go to Settings and tap on Apps, then tap on See All Apps. Now search for Play Games, tap on Google Play Games, tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Storage, tap on Delete. Now search for Play Service, tap on Google Play Service, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. Now open Google Play Games. Now tap on your profile. Now continue as. Now tap on Allow. Now tap on your profile. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play Games profile not creating problem.